We're going to talk about double replacement reactions. In a double replacement reaction, two substances switch partners, and this is the general form of a double replacement reaction. So you have a metal and a nonmetal, and a metal and a nonmetal, and the metals stay in the same spot, but their nonmetals are switched. So you're basically taking A and bringing it to Y, and B and bringing it to X, like over here. And there are two types of double replacement reactions. One, a precipitation reaction, and two, gas-producing double replacement reactions.
So a precipitation reaction may occur when two solutions that contain dissolved ions are mixed. A solid is always formed in a precipitation reaction. Often many tiny crystals are formed, and this gives the mixture a cloudy appearance. The cloudy appearance may be white, black, or some other color depending on the identity of the particular solid that is formed. We say the solid precipitated from the solution. An example of a double replacement reaction is a reaction of sodium chloride and silver nitrate. So here, as we said before, you're going to leave your metal where it's at, so Na and Ag stay the same, and you're just going to switch your nonmetals. So that's how we get NO3 here and Cl over here. So in order to know if these are water soluble or not, you look at your solubility table in your book. NaCl is an aqueous solution, AgNO3 is an aqueous solution. Same thing goes for this one, and this one is actually a solid. So that one's not going to be soluble in a water solution. And in order to know if it's a precipitation, no reaction, or a gas, the ending will, for precipitation, it would have an AQ and an S, and that's how you know it's precipitation. If it had an AQ and an AQ, this would actually have no reaction.
So this is an example of a gas-producing double replacement reaction. A gas-producing double replacement reaction is a special type of double replacement in which a gas is produced. The gas-producing double replacement reaction that is typically encountered in the health science field, therefore the only gas-producing reaction which you should be familiar with, is the reaction of aqueous hydrogen monochloride, this also known as hydrochloric acid, and aqueous or solid sodium bicarbonate. In this reaction, the bicarbonate and chloride ions switch partners to form aqueous carbonic acid. So this switches with this and becomes this. Carbonic acid is very unstable, and it quickly goes under a decomposition reaction in which it is converted to CO2 and H2O down here, a liquid and a gas. So just remember, in any double replacement reactions, you're always going to start with a metal and a nonmetal, and a metal and a nonmetal, and the nonmetals are always going to switch in your products.
So once you complete your double replacement reaction, your product is always going to tell you if you have a precipitation, no reaction, or a gas reaction. For a precipitation reaction, you're always going to have an aqueous and a solid solution, and for a no reaction, you always have two aqueous solutions, and for a gas reaction, it's always going to be a liquid, gas, and an aqueous solution.